I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Klarna to Wise, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device and log into your account. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, find the section for money transfers or payments. This is usually located in the main menu or under the Payments tab. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. Choose the amount you wish to send to your Wise account. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding, as this will affect your balance. Step 4. Enter Wise account details. Input your Wise account information, including your email or account number. Ensure that the details are accurate to avoid any delays. A common mistake is entering the wrong email, which can lead to the funds being sent to the wrong person. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review all the details one last time and hit the Confirm button to complete the transfer. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. I hope this helps you with your transfer. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.